So I'd like to invite up onto stage now from SearchSmartly, Taha.
Thank you, Simon.
There you go.
Hi, everyone. I'm Taha, founder and CEO at SearchSmartly. We've heard a lot about, over the last couple of days, about how AI is transforming the seeker search and discovery experience. And SearchSmartly is building that future today. And along the way, we're helping marketplaces generate better quality leads while also transforming the seeker user experience at the end of the day. Nope. Yep. Or is it that one?
That one there.
Okay, thanks. So we've seen that user behaviors are changing. Post-pandemic, post-global cost of living crisis, we're seeing that consumers' priorities are shifting. People are moving from being location-specific in their search to being lifestyle-led. Consumers, movers are prioritizing trading a longer commute time in order to have better access to the things that they care about, whether it's good local schools, access to green space, parks, gyms, restaurants, and so much more. And as a result, they're considering 50 to 60% more locations as part of that search process. But the marketplaces of today aren't really catered towards that discovery-led experience. And so consumers today spend about 100 hours of time in that search process. And we've heard this before, finding a place is a really painful, stressful journey. But this isn't the only shift that's happening. In parallel, we're hearing in rooms like this today how marketplaces are trying to become closer to the transaction, gain a larger slice of the pie. Agents and advertisers themselves ultimately care about lead quality as well, because that's what makes them money. So in this changing landscape, new technology that helps shift focus from lead quantity to quality is needed. And this is where SearchSmartly's technology comes in. We're building an AI-powered, lifestyle-driven personalization engine that helps seekers uncover the right homes suited to their unique needs faster while generating higher quality leads for the marketplaces that serve them. Our secret sauce is our Smart Score recommendation engine. It's powered by hundreds of data points that understand what makes each location special and uniquely suited to that individual seeker's priorities. We've validated this technology through our own proof of concept marketplace, which we launched in the UK, and we found that matching people to homes based on this lifestyle-led personalization could improve lead quality to agents by a factor of 2.5, while saving those same seekers up to 60 hours of time in their search. We've had great feedback. Seekers themselves rated us excellent on Trustpilot, and we're some of the largest agents in the UK listing on our platform as well. Now we're opening up our technology to the marketplaces of the world to help them power AI-powered search on their platforms. And our long-term vision is to be the technology that sits behind the search and discovery experience for these next-gen marketplaces. We launched our B2B product in October of last year, and since then, we've generated about 300K worth of ARR. We're live in 3 regions, in Europe and in North America. And we've built up a strong pipeline worth £8 million in ARR with customers, again, within the European and the US markets. The value that we bring to marketplaces is threefold. First, by actually matching seekers to homes in areas they may have never otherwise considered, we can drive higher lead volumes. But by matching people to the right homes, we can actually boost lead quality, which ultimately drives better ROI for advertisers. And then finally, by capturing unique data about why people are moving home, we can actually help horizontal marketplaces leverage data and insights about the why behind the move to generate new revenue. Our technology introduces a unique new network effect into any marketplace. By matching people to homes based on lifestyle factors rather than on locations, we actually increase supply density in the typical search. So we can actually help more seekers turn into actual leads at the end of the day. And by learning from their behaviors, our recommendation engines get better and better over time, which is helpful for our own data moat, but it also creates better value for our customers. The way we partner up with portals is straightforward. We're building easy-to-integrate APIs that makes the integration process short and sweet. We're making it customizable, so marketplaces can introduce their own data sets that are unique to their customer bases. And we're allowing partners to add in their own business logic as well. Our pricing is usage-based, B2B SaaS model, linked to the number of calls that are made to the API. Our early stage customers are paying anywhere between £6,000 a month to 10K a month. Our team knows how to win. I previously built championship-winning AI tech for the Red Bull Racing F1 team. Our COO, Hess, helped scale Eigen Technologies, a B2B SaaS product, from zero to Europe's largest Series B. And our VP of growth, Simon, has got 3 exits to his name. So we're now scaling up from our European roots into the Americas, Asia, Africa, Australia, and beyond. And to help bring that vision to life, we're raising a £2 million seed round, of which we have 1 million committed. And funds are going towards building up our product, again, making it easier to integrate, adding new international data sets, and hiring our first sales team. So if anyone wants to learn more, we'd love to chat, and I look forward to our judges' questions.
Taha, thank you very much. Bang on time, which is excellent to see. Ryan, over to you.
How do you gather the customer information in order to guide them down that right path?
Yeah, so we integrate a small onboarding process into the search experience. So you have a short series of screens which ask the basic questions about what's most important to you.
Thank you.
So, great presentation, by the way. I like what you guys are doing. I totally understand. But I don't know if you covered, but first of all, how big is the market you're looking for? I mean, because if it's only B2B for marketplaces and in, well, I guess all over the world, but right now in certain geographies, how big do you think your market is?
Yeah, so we're not just working with marketplaces themselves, but even individual agents' own websites, especially the mid to large size agencies, for example, Savills, Knight Frank, JLL. There's a large fragmented market on the agent side. When we've done our market sizing, the addressable market is about 1.2 billion across Europe and the US in those regions today. But as we expand into other markets and even potentially to adjacent segments, such as commercial real estate, then that sort of opportunity could grow from there.
Yeah, I agree. Good presentation, good business. I'll talk to you offline because I had a similar business back in 2014, which wasn't very successful. The main reason why was that portals and marketplaces pushed back on replacement of their search.
Yes.
So core to their day-to-day business. So how do you address the challenges that a portal of saying, I'm not going to give you my search or replace my initial search?
Yeah. So we've gone through this process with some of our early customers, and what we have learned from those conversations is that they want to have an ability to control that sort of search experience. So by adding this layer of customizability that we're implementing now, our partners can take their own market knowledge, introduce new data sets, and add in business logic layers in the middle as well, because ultimately that business logic layer is what drives revenue for them. So we're making it easy for them to tweak and add their own secret sauce on top, which makes it a unique IP to them as well.
But do you see it replacing their core search, right?
Right now, it's a parallel rather than the replacement of the core, but over time, it might head in that direction as the data validates the value for them.
Okay, thanks.
Got time for another question.
How do you deal with it? It could be an opportunity, it could be a hurdle, but shared information. So you know this is the same person who just looked at a different real estate. Are you able to reuse that information, or are you not able to do that through a walled garden? Or because it's a great opportunity, obviously.
Yeah. The way we see it as SearchSmartly is that is valuable data for us to continuously improve the quality of the recommendation engine itself. So that data across multiple marketplaces is aggregated and anonymized to improve the quality of the underlying engine. But we don't leverage that data specific to you as a user to sort of, use your data in a competitive way, which could be harmful to, one of our customer portals.
Any other questions from the judges?
Is it real time?
Sorry?
Does it work in real time?
Yeah.
Collaborative filtering?
Not yet, no. But I'll show you a demo offline.
We're getting a bit geeky now.
Okay, fantastic. Taha,
thank you, judges. Thank you, Simon.
Excellent stuff. Before you go, thank you very much. Okay. Thank you, judges. good example of a slick presentation.